Okay, well, my primary video editor died, and let's see what happened.
Remember to subscribe.
And hit the bell notification. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Friday, uh, June 5th, 2020. And as I said in the introduction, my it's not all that bad. Actually, the video editor that I lost was really not that good anyway, so I don't want to go into what it was, whatever. It's just say it's gone. It doesn't work on my laptop anymore. But what I'm getting at is I found two open source video editors that are very good, that are open source, meaning they're free, and you have access to all the features. One of them, what we're looking at here, is called Shotcut. We're looking at the interface here. I'm just going to do a couple little things. I am going to edit a separate video on this, but I'm currently recording on my OBS right now, and so let me just go over this real quickly. I'm going to do more tutorials on this with like transitions and chroma key, things like that, overlays. As I get better, my editor, my original editor, crashed on Monday, so I've just been going through a crash course of learning these two pieces of software, like in the last 48 hours or so. So I've been working on it. So anyway, here we are. We're in Shotcut, and here's the here's the new project. There's recent projects. I have it set where when I exit out of here, it automatically removes the recent projects. Otherwise, that just clutters up files, and no need for that. Okay, here's where all the playlist filters and all that are going to show. Down here, where I'm hovering with my mouse, this is the timeline, and you can actually, when you do this, when you hover over your mouse, you can actually increase the size of your timeline if you have more overlays or something, or that. But anyway, your timeline is down here, and this is this whole little square area after you do the project. This turns into the source file. Then right over here to the right, this is where it's called jobs, or other words, when your file is rendering, it shows you the percentage and how long. And one thing I do want to quickly say about rendering, I'll go into a rendering in a whole different video, but quickly, when it renders, when you're in the jobs, do not click on that X button there. That will just cancel everything. You'll lose your file, you'll lose everything, you'll have to start over from the beginning. What you want to do is, if you have other things doing, you minimize it. Okay, so you hit that instead of so you minimize it. It'll continue its rendering. Now look at here. Now video mode. I want to do this before we're going to look at a couple of files. I'm going to show you a couple of things, how to maneuver in the timeline and the bottom part of the section. Then we're going to get out of here. I want to try and keep this as short as possible, just to give you a brief overlay. And again, remember, this is free, and you've got all your toolbars here. You got your filters, you got your export button, and there's and these tools up here. This is where you control everything. So first of all, I have my output. My render output set to 1080, 1920 by 1080. Let's click on this little button. It says video mode, and it'll give you options. See, I got HD 1080, and let's just click on that. You can go into advanced options in rendering mode, but we won't get into that. Let me just open up a new project. I'm just going to call it test. I'm actually going to be working on these 2 files that I'm going to show you. Actually, there's 4 files, but I'm just going to go through 2. It was on my birthday on May 31st, so I'm working on that. So it's going to be my first full-blown edit on this software. So there's still a lot of learning on my end to do, but as I get better on this, I'll do more here. And there it is. Recent test. And it's an MLT file for this. I'm not going to save it or anything. I'm just going to X out of this. I'm just going to start a whole new process. But first of all, let's open up. Let's go open a file here. Let's go to my videos. Let's open a file. We're just going to do 2 files, and I'm just going to drag them, and I'm going to show you how to manipulate a few things here. Let's go into videos, or my video folder here. See, I've got a few things that I'm working on. I'm just going to go with a couple of, well, let's just do the last 2. Let's just do the American flag, these 2 American flags here, just for the hell of it. Okay, that's kind of loud. So anyway, let's add, okay, so now there's the file there. We got filters. Okay, let's click on playlist. Let's see, filters. Yeah, we're on filters. Okay, properties. Okay, let's go with playlist. Okay, click on playlist. Okay. All right. Double click. Okay. All right, let's go into, here we go. Up on the top on playlist here. Drag this file to the timeline here. Okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, that's add filter. Okay, that's add. Oh, that's a favorite. Okay, video. Okay, that's the filter. Okay. Oh, properties. Okay, go back. Okay, that's the properties. Okay, let's go back to yeah. See. All right. Display. Open another one. All right. This. Well. All right. Well, how did I get to? All right. How come that's not on my playlist? What's playlist? Okay, oh, that's playlist. Okay, filters. Okay, properties. Oh, properties. Okay, back to filters. Okay, all right. Let's open another. Let's. Okay, this might be this. I guess that. Okay, filters. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Well. All right. Let me add another file here. Let's open a file here. Let's open the second one. And okay, let's open the second one. Open. Okay. All right. Okay, that's the second one. Okay. Oh, this must be the playlist. Okay. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. There we are. The 424. Okay. So now I want to click on this one. Now let's click on this one. Add that source to the playlist. Add that source. Okay. There we go. These are the source files. That's the playlist file. Now I've got down here in my timeline 324. So now let's highlight 424 and see if we can drag this over. So yeah, let's put this here and see if we can put that over here. And it should. Okay, now we got a little space there. Okay, there we are. We still got a little space. So we got to remove that space. Hit that remove, and there we go. Now we got 2. So you can't do an overlay with that little green space in there. You're not able to do an overlay. I'm going to show you how to do an overlay real fast here. Let's click on here, and you can kind of drag this over, and okay, there you go. And see, you get this overlay, and you can actually extend the overlay. Now, let's just move this. I'll show you what the overlay looks like. And you're just going to hear some of the sound. Okay. Okay. See, you see the overlay there, and you can change. Now let me click on this here with the overlay here. I'll do this one, and then we'll get out of here. If you like these kind of videos, and keep in mind, bear with me. I just started this like just a couple days ago, so I'm still learning on this. So as I get better, I'm going to be doing more tutorials on it. This is really best part about this is it's free, and so let me click on this. Okay, click on that, and oh yeah, okay, okay, properties. Where's properties? Timeline. Okay, properties. Okay, there we are. We went into properties and clicked on that, and you see the transition. You see the little blue here, transition. You can change the transition. Let's change the transitions to iris circle. Okay. All right, are we on here? Okay, did it change it? Did it change it? Here we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it did. I can make it. Let's make it a little bit longer. Let's click on here. Let's extend. Oh, okay. See, now we got that green. Okay. No, we need to. Oops. Okay, there's a way to make this. Oh, actually, okay, we can make the okay, dissolve. Oh, we went back to dissolve. Okay, all right. Let's go back to the iris circle. Okay, invert wipe. Now I don't know why. There's ways of making this transition bigger, but anyway, that's really it. It's once this is I get attacked all the time, and I've been attacked by these groups that are going out, and all my stuff has been ruined and destroyed, and I'm really pretty much pissed off. But anyway, no matter what happens to me, I always bounce back. So anyway, I'm going to do more of these, but this is the way it is, and I get attacks every single day, and it's just total bullshit. But anyway, I'm going to do more of these, and as I get better, if you just hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I have a playlist in the description and the links in there, and go in there below, and we will talk to you next time.